Hey, welcome back to my channel. It's been a hot minute, but this girl came back with a upgraded version on how I volumize my hair. I did do a video on this like months ago, maybe a year ago or two, but that wasn't the best way because my hair would always look different. And because I used the bed hair technique, it would really depend on how I slept that day. Volumizing with the hair straightener looked a little bit more odd. So I was researching and found more ways, and I settled in this one way, which I 100% recommend for everybody that has flat hair and you want volumed hair. Let me tell you about it. It's your time to shine. Okay, ignore my hair, but first thing, let's get into drying hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I dry it to be a little bit more extra puffier. For my hair dryer, I'm gonna use this pink hair dryer from Ease Hold. Super cute. It's so small, like perfect for traveling. And 2 nozzles came with it. And it's so cool how it's magnetic. Yeah, I've been obsessed. But also I like how like there's nothing there, it's holy. My regular hair dryer that I had like this back thingy. It would kind of suck up. See, there's literally hair right here. I can't tell you how many times my hair got caught in this thing. All right, let's get into drying this hair. And it sounds quieter because it is high pitch. Temperature level, and then the wind level. Right now my hair is parting this way, but I'm gonna dry it the opposite way that my hair drops. I'm gonna put it around this way, and this side's my hair. And then this side too. For the back of my hair, this is kind of funny, but I'm gonna like, bam. I mean, right now my hair is not bad, but I could definitely add more volume into this. Let's level this up. So I'm gonna use this girl right here. I got this on Amazon. All the links are down below, but this is not a regular straightener. Bam! So this is a Crimper. I got this one specifically because it came with multiple sizes, and I chose the purple one because it worked the best. Let me show you guys. I like to put it on the 3rd level, which is 180 degrees. I'm gonna crimp my hair. I would want my volume to kind of like start right here, right? I'm gonna grab my hair and part it. I'm not gonna grab the front hair, but I'm gonna grab the back hair like this. Just like a little bit. And then, ooh, crimp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh. And then kind of blow it, air it out, get rid of the heat. Do you guys see what happened to my hair? It's like frizzy. And now from here, I'm gonna brush it like this. Ooh. Do you guys see how much volume it made? Since my part is right here, I do not want to crimp any hair right here. So I'm gonna try to like avoid that area. And I'm gonna part it one more time, grab the back part, and then crimp. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, ooh, there. And then again. Bam. Okay. Bring back the hair. Bam! Do you guys see? Do you guys see this volume? This side has way more hair than this side, but it's like this side has more volume. And throughout the day, when it's like kind of getting flat, I just go like this, and it literally brings back the volume. This side, go from here. Boom. And then brush it off. That volume here. Wait, it's not brushing it. This is like messing? Is that the word for this? Okay. Ooh! Now, I kind of want to do my bangs. Guys, do you know how to tie your hair with that hair tie? Because that's what I did right now. I'd like to show you guys for fun. If you don't have a hair tie, but you want to tie your hair, just go like this. Grab it, and then one finger right here, get a small portion, divide it, finger out, grab your hair, and then pull it in. Bam. Now I'm gonna grab my hair straightener. I forget what I got this from, but it's from Conair. But just turn it on, There's no temperature options. It just does it by itself. So for my hair, it looks a little tapped up here right now because it's so like close to my face. But I want some of them, just a little bit, be close to my face. I kind of want the volume to start from here. So I'm gonna grab, pull it up, and then bring it up. I like that how it's like a little bit more curly, and then there's definitely volume in the front. I want you guys to go away from my face. Yes, there you go. And this side too. I'm not gonna touch the front part. I always like to have some volume when I look to the side. All right, my hair is done now. As you can see, there's so much more volume than before. I could add more volume if I really wanted to, but I don't want to overdo it. I think this is perfect the way it is right now. For those that are worried about your crimp showing, that's why I do it lower. Like not too low because I don't want the volume here. I want it here obviously, but when I touch my hair, I usually only go that way. So I don't want to crimp here. Oops, but I did crimp here, but it's okay because I don't really care. And also, I know some countries are a little bit moist, humid than California. California is so dry, so my crimp stays there throughout the whole day. But if you're stoned, I would recommend to put like a hair setting spray. I use this one right here from Korea. But for those that are a little bit like more low maintenance on hair, I would recommend you to do the bed hair technique. One thing I want to say before this video ends though is don't overdo it because it'll look funky. I would recommend to 2 to 3 parts and also only grab like a thin layer of hair. And don't forget to grab the hair behind, not close to your face, okay? A little bit more behind. And don't crimp it for too long because it will damage your hair a lot. But yes, I'm not gatekeeping, so do your thing and have fun with your new hair. Don't forget to subscribe. Also leave me a comment. If you have any questions, let me know. Don't forget to give me a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!